Hello everyone. Today we are settling the age-old debates, apples versus oranges, which rules supreme in health food kingdom. But wait, there's more. We'll also be investigating deep into some surprising lesser known benefits of both these juicy superstars. Plus, if you're diabetic, don't worry, we'll break down which fruit might be a safer choice for managing blood sugar. So catch up, health fan, because we're about to get fruity. Let's see if team orange or team apple comes out on top. Oranges offer a multitude of health benefits beyond their well-known associations with vitamin C and immune support. Here are some lesser known benefits of oranges. Number 1, skin health. Oranges contains antioxidants like vitamin C and beta carotene, which help protect the skin from free radical damage caused by UV radiation and environmental pollutants. These antioxidants also promote collagen production, leading to a firmer, more youthful looking skin and reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Bone health. Oranges are a good source of nutrients like calcium, magnesium and vitamin D, all of which play vital roles in bone health. Calcium and magnesium contribute to bone density and strength, while vitamin D aids in calcium absorption and bone mineralization, helping prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Eye health. Oranges contain compounds like beta-carotene, lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health. These antioxidants help protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts by reducing oxidative stress and filtering out harmful blue light. Anti-inflammatory properties. Oranges contain flavonoids like hesperidin and narginin, which have potent anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes and arthritis. Improve cognitive function. The antioxidant in oranges may also have neuroprotective effects, supporting brain health and cognitive function. Studies suggest that regular consumption of oranges and their compounds may help prevent age-related cognitive decline and improve memory and learning abilities. Asthma prevention. Some research suggests that higher intake of vitamin C-rich foods like oranges may help reduce the risk of developing asthma and improve lung function in individuals with existing respiratory conditions. Vitamin C antioxidants properties may help protect against airway inflammation and oxidative stress. Cancer prevention. Oranges contain bioactive compounds like flavonoids, which have been studied for their potential anti-cancer properties. Flavonoids have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, particularly in cancers of the colon, breast and skin. Digestive health. The fiber contained in oranges promotes digestive health by supporting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Additionally, the soluble fiber pectins acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Apples are classic fruit enjoyed for generations, but their benefits extend far beyond a satisfying crunch. Here's a peek at some of the lesser known advantages of incorporating apples into your diet. Number 1, oral health support. Crunching on apples stimulates saliva production, which helps wash away food particles and bacteria, reducing the risk of tooth decay and gum disease. Additionally, the natural acids in apples can help neutralize harmful bacteria in the mouth, promoting fresher breath. Gut health promotion. Apples are rich in soluble fiber, particularly pectin, which acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall immune function, making apples a valuable addition to your diet for gut health. Liver detoxification. Certain compounds in apples such as quercetin and catechins have been shown to support liver health by enhancing detoxification processes. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful toxins and free radicals, reducing the burden on the liver and supporting its optimal function. Blood sugar regulation. Despite the natural sweetness, apples have a relatively low glycemic index due to its high fiber content. The slow release of sugars into the bloodstream helps prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, making apples a diabetic-friendly snack when consumed in moderation. Brain health boost. Apples are rich in antioxidants including flavonoids and vitamin C, which have been associated with improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of neurodegenerative disease like Alzheimer's. Regular consumption of apples may help maintain brain health and memory as you age. Hydration support. Apples have a high water content, contributing to overall hydration levels in the body. Staying hydrated is essential for numerous bodily functions, including regulating body temperature, supporting metabolism, and promoting healthy skin. Allergy relief. Quercetin, a natural compound found in apples, exhibits anti-inflammatory properties that may help alleviate symptoms of allergies and hay fever. Incorporating apples into your diet during allergy season would provide some relief from sneezing, congestion, and itching. Weight management aid. The fiber and water contained apples help promote feelings of fullness and satiety, making them a satisfying snack choice for weight management. Snacking on apples between meals may help curb cravings and reduce overall caloric intake. Oranges versus apples, which is healthier and safe for diabetes. Both apple and oranges are nutritional powerhouses, making it a tough call to declare a single victor. Let's break down their strengths to see which might be a better fit for you. Blood sugar management, key for diabetes. The GI measures how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels. Glycemic index. Apples generally have slightly lower GI compared to oranges, meaning they can cause slower rise in blood sugar. Glycemic load. This considers both GI and carbohydrate content. A medium serving of each fruit has moderate GL, making the difference in blood sugar impacts relatively small. Fiber content. Both oranges and apples are excellent sources of dietary fiber, which is beneficial for managing blood sugar levels in diabetes. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes in glucose levels after meals and promoting overall glycemic control. The verdict for diabetes. Both fruits can be a part of healthy diabetic diet. Here's a breakdown. Prioritize apple. If managing blood sugar in your primary concern, apples might be a slightly better choice due to their lower GI. Balance is a key. Enjoy both fruits in moderation as part of a balanced meal plan. Consider pairing them with healthy fats and proteins for sustained energy. In summary, both apples and oranges can be a part of diabetes-friendly diet when consumed in appropriate portions and as a part of well-balanced meal. So next time you reach for a fruit, consider the both. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more science-backed health content.